Welcome back! In this video I'll be showing you a few ways to free up storage space on your Android phone. Before the video starts, I'd just like to say that if the video helps, it would be greatly appreciated if you left a like, as it helps others find the video, and let me know in the comments how much extra space you were able to make. The first method to free up some space is to get a cleaner app or use an inbuilt one if your phone supports it. For example, on the latest Android phones, you can go to the storage section of the settings to free up space. Your storage settings may be on the first page of the settings or in device care or similar, like on mine. Android makes it easy to follow and use the tool. There should be a blue button that says free up space, clean now or similar, depending on your device. If you don't see this button in your storage section, go to the Play Store and search Cleaner. There will be plenty of apps to choose from. The most popular cleaner is CleanMaster. It's had over 1 billion downloads, so almost half of you watching already probably have it. The app also works as an antivirus, which is a bonus, even if it won't help you with the storage. Click on Clean Now, and if it's the first time you're using the app, you might need to give it a few permissions for it to be able to clean everything. If you've downloaded the genuine app, then you won't need to worry about this, as everything is fine at the time of recording this video. Hopefully this has now made some space on your phone. It's quick and easy to do, so you can do it as often as you need to. Next, we're going to clear some files from our device that we no longer need or use. You may have cleared some of these when using the Android Free Up Space tool, but if you didn't, the best place to look for these files are in your Downloads folder. Chances are, you won't need most of the things you download. It's likely that you'll find PDF files in here that you've downloaded to view. The way to get to your Downloads folder differs on each device. Go to your All Apps screen and search for Downloads. If this doesn't show anything, try searching for My Files, and the Downloads folder might be hidden in there. Once you're in Downloads, find things to delete, but obviously make sure you're taking care and be careful not to delete anything accidentally. You can also look in your Documents folder, which will be in the My Files section, for any other files that you don't need or use. There might also be apps that you rarely use, and you can uninstall them. Go back to the storage settings and this time tap on the Apps section. It might be called Apps, Applications or Other Apps. It should show you your rarely used apps on this page, and you can choose to uninstall any of them if you wish. The next tip will be to delete photos from your device, but don't worry, you won't lose these photos if you sync your device and its folders to Google. Go to your Photos app and select one or a few photos and tap the three dots in the top right. Then tap on Delete from Device. You won't lose the image, and at any time you can do the same method, but this time tap on Save to Device to get it back. It might be a good idea to do this to images you would like to keep but aren't too bothered about. Finally, there are other ways to make more space that I must mention, even if they seem a bit obvious. You could purchase a micro SD card if your phone allows for expandable storage, and use that to store apps, images, video and more. You could also transfer your data to your PC and store it on there. I'll leave a link to some articles that have even more suggestions, and I'll keep these updated in case any new methods come out in future Android updates. Hopefully I've been able to help you. Let me know if you have any questions or suggestions in the comments. Feel free to like and subscribe if the video helped. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.